Hello and welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Ashish Parekh and these are the top 9 news from the world of technology.
Xiaomi today launched the Redmi 9 Power in India. It starts at 10,999 rupees and it will go on sale in India on December 22nd. The budget smartphone boasts of a massive battery, a big 6.53-inch FHD Plus display, 48-megapixel primary quad-rear camera and stereo speakers. This is the first Xiaomi Redmi phone to pack a 6000 mAh battery. Asus has announced that it is launching its new range of ZenBook and VivoBook laptops in India. The newly launched laptops come at a starting price of 42,990 rupees and they will be available in India starting December 17th. Dell XPS 13 laptops with the latest Intel 11th generation Tiger Lake CPUs are now on sale in India. The laptops start at 1,50,990 rupees including GST for the Core i5 model. It is offered in two color options, Platinum Silver with black carbon fiber palm rest and Frost with Arctic White woven glass fiber palm rest. This Core i5 variant is up for sale on Amazon and select Dell exclusive stores. During a recent event, Google announced that users in India will now be able to get search results in 4 newly added Indian languages: Tamil, Telugu, Bangla and Marathi. In fact, Google Maps is also getting the ability to let users see results in 9 Indian languages on the app without changing their system language. Google also announced its multilingual model called Multilingual Representations for Indian Languages to help computer systems understand Indian languages at scale. Tech giant Google has been in the news for all the wrong reasons this year and looks like the troubles are unlikely to end anytime soon. In a fresh lawsuit on Thursday, 38 US states have accused Alphabet Inc. of abusing its market power to try to make its search engine as dominant inside cars, TVs and speakers as it is in phones. According to the latest data update of telecom regulator TRAI, Reliance Jio topped the 4G speed chart with data download rate of 20.8 Mbps, while Vodafone was ahead of others in upload speed at 6.5 Mbps in November. Jio recorded more than double the download speed of its closest competitor Vodafone. WhatsApp Web is soon expected to get video and voice call option. The new feature has been spotted in action on WhatsApp's desktop and web version. The Facebook-owned company has started rolling out the call feature to a few WhatsApp beta testers as per a report by WarBeta Info. In a blog post, Zoom has announced that it will be removing its standard 40-minute meeting limit applicable on free accounts for the upcoming festivals for users around the world. The temporary relaxation will be for a few days in December around Hanukkah, Christmas and New Year. The video conferencing service had last removed the time limit for meetings on Thanksgiving Day. Microsoft has been added to the growing list of companies that have confirmed the breach due to the Russia-linked cyber attack that hacked various departments of the US government. The company too is a user of Orion, the widely deployed networking management software from SolarWinds Corp, which was used in the suspected Russian attacks on vital US agencies and others.
So these were the top 9 news from the world of technology. Do let us know what you guys thought in the comment section below and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to TV9 Digital. Thanks a lot for watching.